No matter what your color or race, you have pure and unconditional love for your children. You started a life inside your womb. You continued to nourish that life in your embrace. When your child cries, you cry with him, with your whole heart, giving him your everything. You stand strong, but your touch is soothing, comforting, captivating. You are perfect. You are a mother. You may be hurt or misunderstood, but you have created precious jewels, your children. Your word is powerful, but your hug is magical, loving, peaceful. When your child is heartbroken, you gave him yours to make his heart whole again. You are great. You are a mother. Motherhood is never easy. It is challenging but beautiful. When your child smiles, you smile with him and celebrate life. Your voice is soft, but your heart is brave, courageous, encouraging. You are a blessing. You are a mother. Psalms 113:9. He gives the barren woman a home, making her joyous mother of children. Praise the Lord.